Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I want to show you how to add the event to your calendar on your Xiaomi Redmi 13R. Firstly, to do that, we must navigate to the calendar. In it, we choose day when we want to add our event, maybe 20th of December, we click there, and now this plus icon. There we can set the name of our event, what you want, and which time we event starts and finish, or we can set all day. We can set also repeat, when event repeat daily, weekendly, or what you want. And there we have reminders. When our smartphone reminder us, no reminders before the event, 5 minutes before, 1 hour before maybe. And there we can set account, to which account this event is, or time zone. And one of the last option, guests, you can set guests, location, maybe Warsaw, Krakow, what you want, and description to event. To save it, we press on this icon on the right corner, and now we have those on the 20th of December. When we press there, we have our event, and some information we can custom it also right there. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.